Open your last cloud storage invoice. Find the line item for egress fees. Now find the API request charges. Add all of that together. Now imagine paying none of it. That is not a dream. That is Wasabi, and it is 80% cheaper than what you are paying right now. Here is what the big cloud providers do not put in the headline price. You pay to store your data. Fine. But then you pay to download it. That is egress fees. You pay every time your app touches it. That is API request charges. You pay to move it between regions. You pay to change its storage tier. Top cloud storage companies charge for storing data as well as every time you download it and again for retrieving the data. Think about that. You are being charged to access data that is already yours. For 1 terabyte of data with normal usage, it generally costs $32.55 a month. That number multiplies fast when you are running a business. Wasabi flips the entire model. One price for per terabyte per month. That is it. That is the whole bill. No egress fees, 0. No API request charges, 0. No tiered pricing traps, 0. No surprise line items at the end of the month. The same 1 terabyte that costs $32.55 on top cloud platform, and less than half on Wasabi. That is an 80% reduction, not an estimate. That is the math. Wasabi delivers 11 nines of data durability, the same as AWS S3. Faster read and write speeds than S3 in benchmark testing. Immutable buckets to protect against ransomware and accidental deletion. Full S3 compatibility, meaning any app you already use with AWS, it works with Wasabi. 0 code changes. Plug it in, cut the bill. Media companies, healthcare providers, surveillance systems, backup and disaster recovery operations. Any business sitting on large volumes of data, you are overpaying by tens of thousands every year. And Wasabi exists specifically to end that. FSD-Tech is the official Wasabi partner in the region, and we have helped businesses run the numbers on their actual storage bills, and the savings are never small. Link in the description. Let our team calculate your exact savings. Bring your last cloud invoice. We will show you the difference live.